Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to open up the hood in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so first we need to pull this lever in the front seat. Okay, and now we need to go now we need to lift up a little bit the hood and find a hatch that is located in the middle, right in here. Pull it to the left side, and that's how we can open up the hood. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.